sunrise, vast orange orchards come to life. Thousands of Valencia oranges hang heavy on the trees, fully ripened after months of careful cultivation. Every fruit represents the beginning of a precise industrial journey. Before harvesting begins, workers walk through the groves, inspecting size, color, and maturity. Only oranges that meet strict quality standards are selected to move forward. In the distance, an enormous processing facility
At our company, we believe in fostering an environment where everyone can thrive and contribute their unique talents.
For global markets, mechanical harvesters move between the rows with synchronized precision. Designed to minimize damage, these machines gently separate fruit from branches while maintaining extraordinary speed. Operators monitor harvesting systems digitally, adjusting vibration levels and collection angles in real time. Fresh oranges flow into massive trailers, cushioned to prevent bruising. Any imperfect fruit is removed immediately. Only premium-grade oranges continue their journey. Within hours, the harvest arrives at the factory. At the unloading station, trailers release...
Got another one here. This batch has a few. Keeping up.
With this new technology, we can identify potential issues much faster and more accurately.
So we have our orange juice sample here, and we're going to use this pipette to transfer it into the test tube for further analysis.
So the first step in our extraction process is to bring the raw materials into these large holding tanks.
We need to ensure the sample remains uncontaminated during transfer.
Agreed. Sterile technique is paramount for accurate results.
Heart rate normal, system pressure stable. Initiating final sterility check.
Our new automated system has increased production by 20%.
Today, we're exploring high-speed robotics and how they're revolutionizing industries. These systems are designed for precision.
We carefully sort the pallets for each individual shop.
Then, the delivery vans are loaded with precision.
So refreshing.